Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure the router and modem are powered and broadcasting the SSID. You need that name and the correct password. Next, enable your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter. Use the hardware switch, function key, or open settings network to toggle Wi-Fi on. Do this now because the adapter must be active before you scan. Once done, keep the SSID and password visible so you don't interrupt the flow when you move to the connection step. You now open the network list and pick the SSID that matches your router label. This is how the laptop finds the right access point. Enter the password exactly. Use the show option to confirm characters if you're unsure, because mismatched keys are the most common failure. Then choose the correct network profile, private for home networks, public for untrusted places. Once connected, the laptop will request an IP via DHCP. If it fails, pause and check the adapter and router lights before proceeding. You finish by verifying internet access. Open a website and, if necessary, run a quick ping to 8 to check reachability. Make sure to set the network to private at home and enable your firewall. Save the Wi-Fi password in Keychain or Credential Manager for easier reconnection. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Toggle the Wi-Fi adapter off and on, reboot the router, and update the wireless driver. One key troubleshooting tip. Use the built-in network troubleshooter to identify IP, DNS, or driver issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.